Whole life insurance has 4 major disadvantages. Number 1, no interest is earned on the premiums for the first 2 years. When you do start earning interest on the policy, it is a very small amount, typically 2% or 3%. When you borrow your own money from that policy's cash value that it's built up, you actually pay interest on your own money to the life insurance company. And the final one, the killer, when you die, you lose the cash. The death benefit is all your beneficiary will receive. Any cash value built up in the policy goes back to the insurance company. Whole life insurance has got to be the biggest scam in the insurance industry. The agents get commissions for the life of every policy in force. A lot of the premium just goes to pay the fat commissions of the salesman. That's why I like what Art Williams has done with his buy term and invest the difference concept. You can buy more coverage for less money. Primerica is the only company that offers a 35-year level term policy, by the way, and you can invest the difference in high-yield investments. Unfortunately, for the rest of the insurance industry, people are becoming educated about the rip-off of whole life, universal life, cash value life insurance, and the sector of the industry is losing money to the buy-term, invest-the-difference industry, mainly Primerica. As such, the insurance industry has created a smear campaign to try and paint Primerica as a scam, which is utterly and totally false. The real facts are in the government publications of the NASD, the Better Business Bureau, and private independent ratings firms such as AM Best, Standard & Poor's, Moody's, etc. Don't trust what any old yak puts on an unregulated web page.